Hello and welcome to another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and today I tell you today is a great day because I finally get to review the Seiko SPB147, and this is also known as the 63 mask because it is more or less a remake of the legendary 62 mask, the very first Seiko diver. And I was very lucky to have Eric of the Our Boutique to loan me this watch, the set, for the review. Or actually, I'm not too sure if this is the actual retail packaging for the SPB147. I believe this being a loan set, Eric has given me a more generic Seiko box because if I'm not wrong, Seiko boxes ought to have the barcode and the reference number by the side here. But it's okay, let's just unbox this one for today. And the inner box, I'm gonna slide it open to reveal, ta-da! The SPB147. Alright, so I'm very excited today because these watches, they were just launched sometime in mid-year this year, and of course they've garnered lots of fanfare and many watch collectors, Seiko fans, very excited, you know, that this watch is launched. On first impression, it really looks good. Alright, so I've requested for the 147 from Eric because this one ships in a rubber strap, and with a rubber strap there's no need to resize the bracelet and all that, so I think I'm able to give you more detailed review and more chances of wrist shots and things like that. So I've just put aside the watch pillow, and here you can see this is the 147. Reference number for this watch is SPB147J1. Obviously J stands for JDM model, and the caliber for this watch, the movement in-house 6R35, obviously is an improvement over the 6R15. So this one here, I think it's got a longer power reserve. I'll go more into that, more into details during the full review video. On first look, everything feels very solid. This strap here is a new model. I think it was launched together with the Captain Willard design, and this one has a 20mm lug width and quality is pretty good. I really like the hardware here. It's a smaller type of buckle here, quite different from the ones from my Samurai and my Tuna. So just take a look at this handsome looking watch. Alright, so it's still in the wrapper. I'm gonna take some time to remove the protective film. I think Eric has given me the go ahead to remove it, alright, to take nice photo. So I've got the protective film out of the way, and just take a look at the beautiful dial. This one here, they've called it the mochaccino or cappuccino. Alright, Seiko fans are always quick to give their watches nicknames, so I think this one is now known as the cappuccino because of that sunray brown dial. It's a very subtle shade of brown, and what I love about the 147 is the gilt dial color scheme here. Very nice. Right, gives the watch a really classy look, and the bezel here looks just great. The official word from Seiko is that this is brushed steel. It is not ceramic or sapphire. It's not aluminum. It's brushed steel, and really feels good here. It's got a bit of texturing going on, and let's just go ahead and check the handset alignment. Alright, I'm gonna pop out and check for the hand alignments. 9 o'clock looks good. Let's go to 12. Oh, okay. Alright, it's a bit off, I think. Alright, not too sure, it could be the camera angle. Let's just check for 6 o'clock. Alright, I think it looks a little bit off. Now let's check the bezel alignment. It is still 120 click, and first impressions, I think the bezel has a better, nicer action than the lower end Pro Spec series. The clicks feel more solid and they lock into place with a more assuring click. Wow, this is really nice, a really nice upgrade. Bezel alignment is great here. There are no more misalignments. Alright, so let's check the crown action. Ooh. Alright, the winding is also very smooth, very nice. Alright, you can hear there's a really nice winding going on. And let's check the rethreading. Okay, all looks good. Wow, this is really a really nice upgrade. Okay, I'm loving the bevel here. Alright, so you can see it transits from brush to a polish, a sliver of polishing on the bevel here, and then it goes back to brush surface here. Okay, very nice move. And even the loom pip, it's pretty good quality, nicely done. It's not your usual stick-on type of loom pip. Alright, so fantastic watch, fantastic looking. So first impressions are really good. The SPB147J1. Alright, so I'm gonna spend some time to check out this watch, take some photos of it, and then I'm gonna do a detailed review in the next few weeks. Okay, stay tuned. I'm gonna see you for the full review soon. Bye bye.